Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.